Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Swetha. I have another back to basics video for you guys. So I thought so I saw this 3-step eyeshadow blending technique, which is the easiest technique that I've ever seen. I saw it on YouTube. So I saw this video where she does this 3 steps to blend and make a smoky eyeshadow look. It's very easy. It looked easy, so let's try it out. It's very beginner friendly. I hope you guys will find it helpful. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a concealer as the base. It's up to you. If you have an eyeshadow primer, you can use that. You can use any concealer, it's up to you. Now what you have to take is a precision brush and step number 1, lightest color. Yeah. Now step number 2, the shimmer color. Can you see that? Okay. Step number 3, the dark color. So that's it. 3 shades. So now what you have to do is take a blending brush like that, and you have to dab. That's what I saw. So let's see if that will work out. So you blend 2 colors together first. So I'm gonna blend this light with the shimmer first. You just dab. Very gently. And now you mix these 2 colors. Dab again very gently. Now it's actually blended well. Oh my god. Okay. Now I think the shimmer is a bit less, so I'm just gonna add a little more shimmer just on the center of the lids, and we are done. See? Oh my god, it's actually very easy, very beginner friendly. See that? Now just take the same brush and just swipe it a little bit like that. You're done. Now I'll do the rest of my face and come back. So here you go. You're done. Ignore my eyebrows. My eyebrows I didn't do for a very long time. But yeah, the blending technique actually worked and I'm loving it. Yeah, this is the look. And I kind of like the result, and it took just barely 2 minutes. And I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and click on that bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.